What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Um, I've always struggled with finding a way to implement one of the largest sectors in this bull run. AI coins are going to be huge. We all know that they're going to be huge. They have a lot of popularity behind them. But I've always struggled with the connection, trying to connect crypto with AI and AI to crypto. How do you fully bring in the use of that cryptocurrency within AI, and how can you find a way to make that AI valuable, right? However, it's a whole different story when you look at it in different lights and contexts, right? Because if you understand how they can utilize the blockchain itself as a kind of launching point or source to making this worthwhile for everybody, that may be a different way of looking at that, as well as the different things that they are implementing based on that AI or that project, the protocol. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go over TARS AI, which is a fantastic project that I've just come across that I think definitely has a lot of potential on the Solana chain, and maybe, and you know what, scratch that, will be the largest AI architecture protocol on Solana. And I feel as though will be the first to really get to the stages that we all want to see for AI projects. So before we get into this, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, but you can check out the links for TARS AI down below in the description. It'll be at the top of the description where you guys can look at the website, the Twitter account, the chart, whatever. Feel free to check that out in the description below. Now, let's go into the website. Let's start here and just understand kind of what it is. Again, I think AI crypto is going to take over in this bull run, and it's going to be worth a lot more than a ton of people think, right? Because you look back to the last bull run and metaverse was definitely up there. I feel like still you will have the metaverse that will be up there, but you will have AI that will be in a better spot. So if we look at the website, the AI architecture protocol on Solana, you have TARS AI backed by Solana Foundation. Building the future of AI on Solana. Build, scale, and adopt AI with TARS today. Solana is the fastest and most globally adopted chain in crypto in the last decade. Meanwhile, AI has surged to the forefront of humanity, shaping the future of millions of consumers globally. TARS AI is the singular point between Solana and AI, working towards driving massive adoption natively on chain through progressive AI architecture to the Solana ecosystem. Scroll down here to look at their Solana AI application stack, the different products that they offer, right? You have the AI console, access modular AI applications, and ecosystem projects or products at a glance in one super app. You also have consumer AI, real-time Web3 data providing curated insights on everything crypto for retail. You have the AI Hub, all of your favorite consumer AI tools consolidated in one terminal for cohesive use. And then you have the TARS search engine, right? It's get an answer to any question in less than 10 seconds, which is kind of like a chat GPT or Grok type of thing, to where you can put something in and ask it those questions and unlock every answer to that, which is definitely a big deal. Now, let me go back here and let me continue to scroll through, right? The principal utility token for AI. TARS AI aggregates the best qualities of artificial intelligence and fuses them into a value funnel to provide native Solana users to access all things AI within a few minutes. TARS enables commercialization of AI applications through our network. All revenue generated will be used to distribute rewards across the rest of the ecosystem of participants, alongside supporting the native token. So you can see how that is all interweaving and interlocking together. So they have best-in-class partners as well, bringing AI to Solana for 1 million plus users. Build, scale, and adopt AI with TARS today. So you can go in and you can adopt, and you can again unlock every answer. If you wanted to launch the console, you can launch the console and get all of your breakdown through the dashboard and see what all the detail behind it. Now 104 million TARS AI has been burnt. You have buybacks of $437,000. The current price is at 24 cents right now. We will go into the chart as well. Let's go ahead and start to explore some of those other things. So if we go into TAR's Twitter account, you see they have 219,000 followers. So they do have some popularity with a business tag on Twitter or X. So you can go and check them out there. You can give them a follow, message them, see what they're all about, right? If you haven't seen more about it. But if you go over to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see that they're ranked 330 right now. And honestly, if this was previously, when we're not kind of at all-time highs for Bitcoin and Solana and other things, right? You would see this would be in the top, 200 or the top 100, honestly, at $163 million of a market cap and seeing $38 million worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio shows its level of popularity, 23 or 24%. Now it does have a total of 1 billion, right? 1 billion because you have 1,000 million TARS AI. So you have a total of 1 billion just about. And it has 543 million that's out there in circulation. And again, as we just said, as we go to the dashboard, they burned off 104 million, which is technically 10% of the total amount. So you have the capability of being able to burn. You have the capability of having those buybacks. And the price looks really, really good for the movement. Today, in the last day, it's up 38%, 39%. In the last 7 days, it's up 107%. In the last month, it's up 140%. And in the last year, it's up 466%, where you have May as that time frame of at least being on CoinMarketCap. And it picked up to 24 cents, went down to about 10 cents. You had a lot of opportunity to grow, a lot of opportunity to be a part of it. And now it's sitting at 30 cents here today. Again, up 466% over that time. This is definitely showing all of the tools, all of the things that I like to look for in a coin that shows me popularity, that shows me utility, that shows me the community and different conversations that can happen, as well as different places that it is available. If you have it available on Gate.io, on MEXC, Bitmart, you can buy it on 17 other different trading pairs that they have. So if you guys are interested in checking this out, again, I will provide all of the links for TARS AI down below. I will talk more about it in future videos, but definitely check this out and give it a look. That's in the description. Again, you want to buy it or you want to be a part of it. Before you buy, obviously, I would expect you to go in and look at it and do your research into it and see if it makes sense for you to purchase. But you can buy on MEXC, you can buy on Gate.io, Bitmart as well. I believe you can still use that in the US. So if you are in the US, I believe that's kind of your only option because MEXC and Gate.io don't allow you to do that. You can also buy on Radium as well. So if you have a Solana wallet, you can easily, link your wallet and buy on Radium as well. So feel free to check that out. This is a project that I think you might not want to pass up at least researching because of all the things that it does offer and how big AI will be within this altcoin season bull run. So feel free to check that out. Links down below. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.